Welcome again friend. In this video I show you how to fix can't edit or delete Windows Registry. Right-click the Windows icon and click Run, type regedit and press OK. Right-click on the folder and then click on Permissions. The Permissions window will open. Click on the Advanced button near the bottom right corner. The Advanced Security Settings will open. At the top of the window, you'll see Owner Name, where name is most likely the name of the program that created the folder. Click on the Change link. In the Select User or Group form, under Enter the object name to select, prove your username on that computer or your Microsoft email address if it is associated with your computer. You then have to see. Click OK both on the Select User or Group window and the Advanced Security Settings window. Before closing the Permissions window, select users from the group or user names list and check the box under Allow for full control. After that, close the window by clicking OK.